Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the Keyword Discovery tool in Clearscope, which is a powerful web-based AI-powered tool that helps you optimize your content and drive traffic to your website. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this Clearscope Getting Started tutorial. So I'm logged into my Clearscope account. This is the main homepage. Click on Explorations in the left side panel, and you'll see 3 tabs. We are currently in the Search tab, and I'll get to this in a moment. The URL tab allows you to explore topics using an existing URL. The Custom tab allows you to explore topics by entering multiple keywords or phrases, and I'll cover these in a separate video. So let me go back to the Search tab, and I'll enter my search term here. I'll go with Artistly AI Review, and then click on Create. It will then start working on it, and it could take a minute or so. Just give it a few seconds here. And here are the results. So let me click on it, and you'll see several topics here. At the top, there are 2 tabs. We are currently in the Topics tab. As you can see, it generates suggestions by expanding a query in common autocomplete phrases. And I'll get to this in a moment. If you click on Edit Columns, you can customize this based on your needs. So I'll go ahead and check all of these boxes and then click on Apply. As you can see, each keyword topic displays monthly search volume, Google Ads competition, and CPC or cost per click data. You can click this arrow button to display all the keywords within that specific topic. Let me scroll down. As you can see, these metrics can help you gauge interest and potential size of opportunity for a given keyword. If I go to the Keywords tab, it will display the average monthly search volume. Some keywords display a trending badge, signaling a noticeable increase in search interest over the past 2 months. These trends can point to emerging opportunities in your niche, and creating content around trending terms can help you stay ahead of the curve and capture timely traffic. So I'm going to use this keyword phrase, Artistly AI Reviews. I'll click on See Intent, and it will open this pop-up where you can see search intents. Intent analysis adds a powerful layer of insight to your keyword research that scans the search engine results page and reveals how Google is presenting results. This can help you assess whether your content format aligns with how users consume information. So I'll click on Create Report, and it will bring me to this page. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a content report in Clearscope. To try Clearscope and get a discounted price, check the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.